Hi, and welcome to Conversion Conversations. This is Cameron, and today I'm taking a look at, I'm super excited. We've got Victory Saber here. Obviously, this was the Haslab figure for this year. I guess starting off, I'll say I did go ahead and get two of these when they announced it. I backed two of them. So I'm going to be looking at this one, deciding whether or not I want to keep this one or my masterpiece Star Saber. My feeling is I'm going to keep this because it's got, Leo with it. But then we'll have to decide what we're going to do with masterpiece Star Saber as well as my second Victory Saber. So keep an eye out in the video for what happens there. I'm not sure yet. We'll see as I talk through this. But this is kind of an unboxing slash a review. Again, beautiful slipcover here. With Unicron, right, they were limited just because of how big that frickin' thing is. But here we've got some beautiful, I love the renders here, showing Saber, Victory Leo, Brain of Courage, and then our little Micromasters. I'm trying to not totally mess up my my recording space. I don't know if it's working. The Leos are slowly sneaking in as the curtain moves around. There on the back, we've got him all geared up in his both alt mode and bot mode. Looks nice. Let's button that back in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take off this cover. Ooh, and we've got, oh, man, you guys are making me do so much work. All right, let's stick that over there for now. I did not realize that on the inside here, can I undo this gently? On the inside here, I guess this is like an alternate cover, so you could flip it inside out. Showing off like an old school packaging cover, which is really, really neat. I'm gonna set that to the side. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's such nice packaging. Like, I normally just throw out all of my packaging, absolutely. But I'll have to figure out, maybe I do something different with this. All right, so the next thing we got was this nice little poster, nothing on the back, but some nice old school art. That's lovely. Then we've got all of our paperwork. Come on. All right, what do we got here? We got some stickers. That is, I guess, immediately disappointing. I don't know why we need stickers, but we'll see. But I don't want to put stickers on my really nice toy. I just want it to be painted really nice. We've got, ooh, I like that the instructions are full color. Hasbro, you should do this all the time. This should just be the standard. And it's really disappointing that it's not. How much more expensive is it for you guys to print in color versus your terrible black highlighted in a single color instructions? All right, that's neat. Or better yet, just do a QR code and, have the instructions also be digital. Whew, all right, we got more packaging to get through. Now we've got like this inner box lid with our weapons, blast effect pieces, all that stuff. Neat, lovely painted shield. Here we go. There is Star Saber and Leo. Let me do the quick comparison. So here they look next to each other, and I will say, I guess my Leo has, my Victory Saber has yellowed a little bit, but, there they are next to each other, the old school, and this has been my favorite masterpiece for a while. I just love the way he looks, I love how crazy he is, I love how big he is, but seeing them next to each other like this, I'm curious to see how they hold up. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. There's the unboxing, all the stuff in the box. I wanted to keep this one short because it's Friday and I got other things I want to do. My goal is I will put out the Victory Saber review along with maybe an announcement and stuff as part of my weekly videos, because this is the last of my get a video done every day for 2 weeks. Tomorrow's video is a review. It is where I'm going to announce the winner of Transformers Generations Legacy Scourge. But it's also part of my normal process. If you've recently joined the channel, I normally do a video every Saturday. So tomorrow's video will be, you know, an announcement or whatever I end up doing. My last video of 2022, and then I'm going to go back to my weekly schedule because I got work and other things, obviously. So we'll see what happens there. So there is the unboxing for Victory Saber. That is a lot of stuff. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.